Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today, we are create professional cinematic color flow using color lookup. Begin by opening your image and evaluating how colors move throughout the frame. Cinematic color flow is about guiding the viewer's eye naturally. Add a color lookup adjustment layer and preview LUTs that introduce smooth color transitions. Choose one that supports the visual direction and lower its opacity to keep the effect refined. Add a curves adjustment layer and shape contrast so brightness leads attention toward the subject. Use color balance to subtly guide highlight and shadow tones in a unified direction. Zoom out and review the image as a whole to confirm the flow feels smooth. If any areas